అందరికీ నమస్కారం. सबको नमस्कार. Indian EAM Shri S. Jaishankar at Indian Ocean Conference in Oman. EAM Jaishankar meets Oman Foreign Minister Badr bin Hamad Al Busaidi on 16th February 2025. Appreciate his personal efforts in successfully hosting the 8th Indian Ocean Conference. Held wide-ranging discussions on India-Oman cooperation in trade, investment and energy security. So glad both could jointly release the logo celebrating the 70th anniversary of India-Oman diplomatic relations. Also jointly released a book, Manvi to Muscat, Indian Community and the Shared History of India and Oman. EAM Jaishankar addressed the inaugural session of 8th Indian Ocean Conference on our voyage to new horizons of maritime partnership. A global lifeline, the Indian Ocean region comes together to meet its development, connectivity, maritime and security aspirations. Highlighted how India is contributing to these shared endeavors. Number 1, as a stable partner and friend in times of COVID, food and fuel shortages or even economic crisis. 2, as a promoter of greater land and sea connectivity, be it IMEC, IMTT or INSTC. 3, in becoming a first responder to conflicts and disasters in the region, both natural and man-made. 4, by promoting interoperability and synergies with partners to face maritime contingencies and piracy. 5, ensuring maritime safety and security by establishing coastal surveillance radars and partnering on white shipping agreements. 6, in responding to extreme situations through deployment of naval forces. 7, through capacity building of other Indian Ocean navies and coast guards. 8, by ensuring trusted and secure communication in a digital era. 9, in closing gaps and building bridges between resident and non-resident powers with the global south and discouraging alien agendas. Supporting institution building in the region, be it IORA, BIMSTEC, IONS, CSC, IPOI or the Indian Ocean Conference itself. EAM Jaishankar had a warm conversation with Brunei Foreign Minister Dato Irwan Pehin Yusuf, followed up on Indian Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi's September 2024 Brunei visit outcomes. Appreciate his insights on the region and support for India-Asian partnership. EAM Jaishankar meets former President of Sri Lanka, Mr. Ranil Wickremesinghe, on the sidelines of the 8th Indian Ocean Conference. EAM Jaishankar meets Iran Foreign Minister Mr. Abbas Araghchi and spoke about India-Iran bilateral ties and developments in the region. EAM Jaishankar meets Bhutan Foreign Minister DN Dungyel in Muscat. Both discussed on advancing India-Bhutan bilateral and regional cooperation, underlined the dynamism of India-Bhutan unique and time-tested partnership. EAM Jaishankar met Foreign Affairs Advisor Muhammad Tauhid Hussain of the interim government of Bangladesh. Conversation was focused on India-Bangladesh bilateral relationship as also on BIMSTEC. EAM Jaishankar meets with Nepal Foreign Minister Arzu Rana Juba and had a useful review of India-Nepal bilateral cooperation. Look forward to strengthening India-Nepal ties. EAM Jaishankar had a productive interaction with Sri Lanka Foreign Minister Vijeta Hirath on sidelines of 8th Indian Ocean Conference took stock of India-Sri Lanka wide-ranging cooperation committed to the economic recovery and progress of Sri Lanka. EAM JAISHANKAR meets Maldives Foreign Minister Abdullah Khalil, exchanged views on the many facets of India-Maldives cooperation. EAM JAISHANKAR had a warm first meeting with Mauritius Finance Minister Ritish Ramphul, underlined India's commitment to further India-Mauritius special bonds of friendship. అందరికీ ధన్యవాదాలు. सबको धन्यवाद. If content is good, subscribe the channel. It will be encouragement to prepare useful content. Thanks for your support. Jai Hind.